Okay, how are you today? Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, today in e-learning part 1.1. Okay, we are discuss about the oily water separator and engine room bilge disposal system. Okay. According to Marine Pollution 1973-1978, Annex 1, the prevention of pollution by oil from ships. Okay. I take sample Sasakura Atlas Engineering from Japan maker. Yes, but as you know, every machinery have same basic principle. Okay, same basic operations. And so now as you are looking for piping diagram, okay, this is inner part. Okay, let's start now. We are discuss about the basic principle for of separation between oil and bilge water. Okay, as you know, we have the different specific gravity between water and oil. Okay, water have one specific gravity, oil have 0.8 until 0.9 specific gravity. Okay, this is main part of bilge pump. Okay, and inner part of gravity separation oil sump. Okay, gravity separation oil sump. Okay. Second, we have coalescer. Yes, coalescer. Okay, coalescer. Okay. Uh, the third, we have membrane cartridge. Membrane cartridge. Okay. We have three main part: gravity oil, gravity separation oil sump, coalescer, membrane cartridge. Okay. We have also have some accessories. Yeah, oil level sensor, pressure gauge, many stop valve and check valve. Okay, this is a motor valve. Okay, also pipeline. Yeah, pipeline is from suction line from seawater, suction line from engine room bilge valve, suction line from engine room bilge tank. Okay, this is bilge pump. Okay, we are direct to start now. Okay, now the first time we will start use suction seawater suction. Okay, if you are separator and use during yes 1 week, yeah 1 week, we unused for disposal bilge. Okay, should be flushing, yeah, should be flushing around 10 minutes. Okay, now maybe already 10 minutes for flushing use seawater. Yeah, now we are open suction line from engine room bilge. So you look the black color, this so mean engine room bilge already suction to transfer to separator. Okay, mixing oil, yeah, mix oil and water, transferring to separator, and in the separator will be processes for separation. Okay, separation process. Okay, oil with the less of specific gravity than water. Okay, have more floating force, more higher floating force. Okay, the oil will going up and water will be going down. Okay, the oil fine particle have loss in stage 1, passing the coalescer and will be collected, become enlargement particle. Okay, when become the enlarged particle, also floating force will be increased. Yeah, okay, and coalescer. Okay, The oil fine particle have loss in stage 1 and second stage will be collected again in membrane cartridge. Okay, the oil fine particle have changed to enlargement particle, have floating force will be increased. So oil will be going up, moving to upper position. Okay, so we hope water discharge to overboard without oil content. Okay. Okay. Okay, we will be repeat again how to the processing. Okay, this is still now still pumping. Yes, this is bilge pump. Okay, pumping. This is separation process. Yes, this is separation process. Okay, okay, this is uh, oil and upper position, because oil have specific gravity 0.8 until 0.9, less than water specific gravity. Okay, okay, still in separation process. Yeah, separation process between oil and water. Okay, this is processing still. Uh, and when the oil level sensor touch with oil, motor valve will be open. Okay, this is now already transferred. Okay, this is already open. Okay, so oil now collecting to transferring to oil collecting tank. Okay, then water. Where is water? Okay, water will be discharged to overboard if oil content less than oil content less than, I'm sorry, oil content less than 15 ppm. Okay, this is will be discharged. Okay, yeah, but when the oil content, yes, the oil content more than 15 ppm, it is right. Okay, red color. Okay, this is motor valve will be change over. Three-way motor valve will be changing over to this is okay. Now we are looking for when oil discharge monitoring. Yes, oil discharge monitoring detect oil content more than 15 ppm. Okay, okay, now yeah, you see. Okay, okay, over then 15 ppm will be returned to engine room bilge tank. Okay, and recycle. Okay, okay, 8 minutes together Maliati Merchant Marine Cadet Community. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you to the next presentation. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Indonesian Shiver Weekend. Wassalam.